In today's guide video, I'm gonna teach you how to change cover photo on Instagram Reels after posting. So if you've posted a Instagram Reel and you forgot to change your cover for that post, there's no need to worry because you can easily change it. Head over to your Reels and then open up your Reel. Now you'll need to tap on the three dots right here and then tap on Manage. After you do that, a few settings will open up. You can tap on Edit. From here again tap on Edit. Now you can either choose a cover from inside the video, or if you want you can also add in a separate cover from your device by tapping on Add to Device. And after you're done, you can tap on Done. And there you go. Now your cover picture of your Instagram Reels will be changed. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.